Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Murshis English. Today we are going to learn the letters L, T, H and K. You should write like this: L, then T. Next is letter H. Write like this. First write L, then H. Next letter is K. Practice like this. First write like L, then write like capital R. Next, let's write some words. First word is lit. L-I-T. Next word is little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Next word is hack. H-A-C-K. First write H, then join A, C, then K. Hack. Next one, kick. K-I-C-K. Practice like this. First write K, then join I, then C, again K. Next word is tackle. T-A-C-K-L-E. First write T, join A, C, then K, join L, E. Tackle. Next word is kettle. Start with K, E, T, T, L, E. Kettle. From this we can learn the letter K, L, T. Next word is latch. L-A-T-C-H. First write L, then join A, T, then C, H. Latch. Thank you for watching.